Imagine a world where hackers can easily decrypt your most sensitive data. Scary, right? Now, imagine if there was a way to make that data unhackable. Today, we explore the revolutionary field of quantum cryptography that promises to redefine security as we know it. Quantum key distribution is at the forefront of this innovation. This method allows two parties to share a secret key securely, using the principles of quantum mechanics. But how does it work? Let's break it down. In essence, quantum key distribution utilizes photons to transmit key information. Unlike classical bits, a quantum bit can be in multiple states at once, making eavesdropping easily detectable. If an intruder tries to intercept the key, the quantum state changes, notifying both parties instantly. Now, here's a surprising fact. With the rapid advancements in quantum computing, traditional encryption methods could soon be as obsolete as the floppy disk. We could face a new era of cyber threats that demand a drastic change in how we secure data. This brings us to post-quantum cryptography. It's not just a buzzword, it's a necessity. As quantum computers become more powerful, we need cryptographic algorithms that can withstand quantum attacks. But how do we achieve that? Post-quantum cryptography focuses on developing algorithms based on mathematical problems that are difficult even for quantum computers to solve. Think of it as creating a new fortress to protect your digital castle from future invaders. If you find this information fascinating, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into the world of quantum technology. Let's uncover even more about quantum-safe encryption next. Quantum-safe encryption is the future we're heading towards. It encompasses all encryption methods designed to be secure against an attack by a quantum computer. This is crucial as we transition from our current cryptographic systems to robust alternatives. The shift to quantum-safe encryption isn't just technical, it's also about trust. Businesses and individuals alike must feel secure in their data protection. But what does this mean for existing systems and how will it affect your data security? Here's a thought to ponder. As we adopt quantum technologies, we're not just upgrading our security, we're fundamentally changing the landscape of digital trust. Every entity must adapt, or risk being left vulnerable. In conclusion, quantum key distribution, post-quantum cryptography, and quantum-safe encryption are set to revolutionize our approach to digital security. They offer not just a safeguard, but a promise of a secure future. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest in quantum technology. In our next video, we'll explore how these technologies are being implemented in real-world applications. You won't want to miss it.